Welcome. If you're tired of getting in-app notifications every time someone tries your pin on Pinterest, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to easily prevent those notifications on your PC, following the latest Pinterest update. Let's jump right in. First, open your preferred browser and head over to the Pinterest website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, take a look at the left side menu. This is your main navigation hub on Pinterest. From the menu, find and click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings page, where you can control everything from your profile info to your privacy preferences. But today, we're focusing on notifications. Inside the settings page, look for the notifications option, click on it, and you'll see a list of all the different types of notifications Pinterest can send you. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Comments with Photos at Pins You Saved. This is the setting that controls those in-app alerts when someone tries your pin. To stop these notifications, simply find the toggle switch next to in-app and turn it off. This tells Pinterest not to bother you with in-app notifications for this specific activity. It's a quick change, but it makes a big difference if you want a cleaner, less distracting Pinterest experience. Once you've made your selection, don't forget to click Save at the bottom of the page. This step is crucial. If you skip it, your changes won't take effect. And that's it. You've successfully disabled in-app notifications for people trying your pins on Pinterest, right from your PC. Now, you can enjoy browsing, pinning, and creating without those extra interruptions. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.